Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I'm your friendly neighborhood Reza, and I have a very exciting video. We've got an unboxing today. We have had a lot of unboxing videos lately, so if those are your thing, make sure you're subscribed, and of course like this video if you like it, and tell me in the comments what your favorite thing is. But you'll see a lot of unboxings lately, and maybe there will be a giveaway soon, and those are subscribers only. So, but the reason I am making this video today is, of course, I have received another Beautometry My Mani box, an awesome subscription, and any details that you need for the products or the box are going to be in the description below. But other than that, let's get into it, right? My Mani box, this one is May 2023, What's Blooming. Sometimes, since these are PR, sometimes I get them a little late. It's fine. I still get to show you all the things. They're glorious. Okay, and I have no idea. I did pre-sever everything, because if you've watched my previous unboxing, sometimes I get into the weeds a little bit with trying to open the box. Anyway, so What's Blooming, lovely little card, and of course we always have a summary of what we're going to get in the box. This one's a little hard to read because of the light pink, but it'll be all right. I've got some huge lights going on above here. Love Is 15 and 16 from MoYou. Creative Shop, various nail stamping plates, nail polish. Ooh, it looks like a Vanessa Molina one, which are always good, or an option of an M&N indie polish, which I haven't heard of. Those both retail for $16, and some dried flowers. Those are always fun. Milk bath manis. I don't know if you've done anything like that before. I think I have a tutorial on them, but I do not know where it is. So you'll just have to, if you want to find it, search it within my videos, within my channel. I'm going to look at the dried flowers first. It's pretty cool. I'll probably do a demo with these in a couple days, I think. These are really probably the finest quality dried flowers that I have had in my hot little hands before. They look beautiful. The details are elegant, and these are perfect for manicures, so I'm really excited about these. I'm going to put them aside though so I don't waste them. Here's the little bag. I tend to keep the bags for various things. Not that I'm a pack rat, not at all. Alright, we're going to open the polish, okay? Because I have to know which one we got. And of course, the magic of bubble wrap. No one is immune to the joy of the popping bubbles. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I can't help it. I can't help it. It's just, it was there. It's like, it's not like I'm climbing Mount Everest because it's there, but I am definitely popping the bubbles because they're there. Oh my goodness. Look, we have, I just realized I probably popped all those bubbles off screen, sorry. Vanessa Molina, 5 free. We clearly have both reflective and iridescent flash going. This is a stellar prize. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. We will be swatching that today, because I cannot wait. This is not something I can wait on. I have to do it now. I enjoy it too much. Okay, we have a really nicely wrapped package here. Looks like somebody was probably a mall wrapper for Christmas season. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Okay, so Creative Shop plates are one of my favorite brands. I mean, when I talk, it's like you're probably going to think that all the brands are my favorite brands, and that's not exactly true. But there are so many good brands out there. And this plate is one I don't have. I have so many Creative Shop plates. Look at what we've got here. We've got a negative image. with, I don't know if those are puppies or what, but you could use like, these negative image stamps are awesome for if you want to use a sparkly polish or some sort of special effects polish that won't stamp well. You just slap it on and then stamp over it with one of these negative images. I love these spiral, so there's spiral snakes like in the middle, but they're also moving in a spiral. So this is really exciting. That would be fun to play with. I'm definitely going to be using this pretty soon, and I'll show you all when I do so. This is great. Loving these leaves. This would be great over a smush mani with multiple kinds of greens and maybe some bright yellow in there. Maybe some darker green, and just vary the colors for your smush. That would be really fun. Loving these sketched roses. We've got some strawberries. This is just awesome. Oh my goodness, maybe my favorite. Look at these little birds in this design. This is so cool. Okay, well, I mean, goodness gracious me. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is Creative Shop 41. I don't have this either. I love these flowers. They're stylized and there's a star in the middle. We've got apples that are opened up. I think they're apples. I don't know. They might be tomatoes. I think they're tomatoes. Look at that stem and look what you've got, some seeds inside there. I really like this all over image. This would be fun if you're feeling like you want to spend an entire day doing reverse stamping. You could like individually color all the different stars, leaving spaces uncolored between them. Look how this middle image looks like a star. Of course, we'll have stars all over the place. But everything around it looks like cubes too. It's like a, I don't know, it's very interesting. Loving this too. It's just too much. This is just too awesome. It's exploding my face. I don't know what to do. I'm loving this plate. Okay, so Creative Shop 41. Now we're going to look at the Love Is plates. And these, now a note to beginners to Creative Shop. This is not without a protective film. It is just that the protective film is clear. So don't forget to take that off before you try to stamp with that. Okay, we have Love Is collection number 15. This is one I do not have. Happy Valentine's Day. But of course there are motifs that you can use all year round. All you need is love. This is incorrect. You also need money and health and, you know, a body, things. But I admire the sentiment. All right, loving these hearts with the plaid and this lace. This is such a great plate. I'm going to have to do a tutorial with this too. Lots of easy, beginner-friendly manis here. Just, okay, I'm just going to make it happen. I have a lot on my list right now, but this will eventually come. So much on my plate right now. And I have plumbers coming tomorrow, so... Okay, I might have this one. As usual, if I have this one, it'll go in the box for the giveaway. But actually, I don't think I have this one. It's the police thing that makes me think I might have it. Anyway, I'm not going to unwrap this just in case I do have this one. Keep an eye out in the next couple of weeks for announcements for giveaways on my channel. Just in case I got it. Okay, and let's try out, since I haven't really used any Creative Shop plates on my channel in a while, our demo today is going to go ahead and be Creative Shop. So, let me clear this away, put it in the box. First, what we're going to do is we're going to color some nails here. This is probably a 2 3/4 when they're really fancy like this. Sometimes they end up a little sheer. And you can do a pond mani like that. So like, what if I just let this dry and then I stamped another? In fact, that's what we'll do. We're gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I'd love I love an alternate idiom that didn't involve murder of birds. So anyway, I'm gonna do this one. I really want to use these guys. And I have white polish here, so these come off pretty easily. Looks like there's not two. Sometimes various brands will accidentally have two. All right, so we do want to make sure though that it's dry and fairly even coated. This will do for government work, of course. And now I'm going to take my white. Gonna take my white polish. Of course, this is from Hit the Bottle. We're gonna have a little party here where we make some nail art. I think this is a very exciting unboxing. If you're enjoying it, of course, like I said, smash that like button, and do please comment below. Tell me what you like, what you might like to see from me in the future. This didn't go well. I'm gonna see if maybe there's another little film. No. You see? Sneaky. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Okay. I'm sorry, I just looked like an idiot right there in front of you. I do know better. In fact, I specifically mentioned that there might be two. I knew better than that. Okay. With the Creative Shop ones, I really don't have to douse it with acetone before I use it. In fact, I mean, I really, when I'm testing a plate, I prefer to use it right out of the box, because that's one of the factors that makes it a really good plate. Can you use it right out of the box? Okay. See, we've got some flowers. Make sure it's all looking good. I think it's all looking good. We're going to stamp those flowers in white. So you could leave it like this if, I mean, it's summer, so shears are really in right now. You could put on the top coat and just be done. But that is not my strategy for the moment. I'm going to let this guy dry. I came unprepared. I did not have a lint roller. I have to change this guy. True story. Some of you know Gozer, or at least have heard Gozer. And on my social media, if you're my Facebook friend or whatever, I'm sure you've seen Gozer, because he's a big part of my life. And when he meows, he sounds like the pathos in his life is overwhelming and he needs assistance. I was getting acetone. Anyway, Gozer sometimes ends up with a lint roller attached to his fur because he explores areas that he should maybe not. He likes to be up high. When the counter is really clear, he just hops right up there, hangs out, airs out his body. He like lounges like an old man. It's so funny. Anyway, so I think we're just gonna cover it and show you how that looks. So let's get the acetone off my table. And like I said, there will definitely be a couple tutorials coming. Well, that was very, very dark. I'm gonna try to pull some of that color off. And this actually didn't deposit the right amount of color. Okay, so let me show you. You can see the design underneath. You kind of have to do it up close, but it's a very sophisticated look. I really do enjoy these kinds of manis. And speaking of enjoyment, really loving this polish. I assume that it is a Beautometry exclusive, but they're not always. So this one's called Azalea. I can't read the very bottom. Oh well. Something edition. I don't know. If you can read that, tell me. I suppose I'm officially an old lady now. Even if I mean, I'm wearing bifocals and I still couldn't read that. Okay, so I'm gonna just blow. Just blow on that just a teensy weensy bit. And I'm going to use some of my Sesh Feet on here. Usually I use Nevermind's top coat. But what I have on my table is what I have on my table. You can't do this with a red, even if it's sheer. Make sure that you wipe off your brush in between dips if you're working with like a red or a black or something that looks like it might kind of make real good friends with your brush and refuse to let go. And here we go. I kind of like a very, very subtle hollow on top of this maybe, or maybe I should have colored in the stars. There's so many different ways that I could have altered this look just a little bit. But I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing. And like I said, do please comment and tell me what you liked and what you might want to see from all these choices. And of course, those thumbs up really do help me as well as the subscriptions. So have an awesome day. I hope everything was awesome about your day today. And hey, go make some art.